What if I told you that what you're saying to yourself is creating your entire life right now? Most people think that affirmations are just feel good, positive vibes only type of things. But what if I told you that what you're actually saying and speaking to yourself is rewiring your brain on a scientific level? So what if I told you that what you say to yourself or what you don't say to yourself can determine how confident you are, how much abundance you receive? What if I told you that? So I want to break this down for you, both spiritually and scientifically, because those two things are both very important to me. So you can start using affirmations to really create the life you want and take it to the next level. In full transparency, like honestly, I think we've all been here. At one point in time, I dealt with a lot of self-doubt. It showed up in my relationships. It showed up in my confidence. It showed up in the opportunities, my career. And what I realized is that all of that was mirroring the things I was saying to myself. Everything I was saying to myself was just coming back to me and showing up in the physical in these different areas. I'm so thankful I learned this one thing because it shifted everything for me. I learned that your subconscious will believe whatever you tell it, good or bad. You got me thinking, why am I telling myself all this bad stuff? Well, if you're constantly out here saying, I don't have enough money, things never work out for me, this is going to be so hard, things never work out, all the stuff that we say to ourselves whenever we just haven't gotten to that level yet. The brain is going to accept what it is you say. Your words have power. So once the brain accepts it, it starts to realign our realities to match it. So our lives to match it. But when I shifted and started speaking life, words of confidence, words of abundance, words of power, everything changed. Things just started opening up. Like my confidence grew, opportunities come all the time. And that I believe that is because of how I've aligned my brain with the power of my words are really, really powerful. And it's not like some woo-woo talk. No, sis, this is backed by scientific data, neuroplasticity. We know that the brain, whatever we tell the brain, what the brain sees, what it hears, what we say, what we think, all eventually forms a belief within us. And when we start to change those things, when we start to speak words of life, speak words of power, speak words of confidence, surround ourselves in certain environments that serve us, our subconscious picks up on that and our brain creates new neural pathways. And then that becomes our new reality. So when you hear people saying, oh, this is how it always is, that's just who I am. No, that's who you choose to be. Because at any moment in time, we can choose to believe new things and we can shift our brain and create new neural pathways so that becomes law for us. That becomes the truth for us. And spiritually, you already know what the word says. The word says there's life and death in the power of the tongue. So not only are affirmation backed scientifically, it's backed spiritually. So what we doing? What are we creating? What are you creating right now? Are you creating the things that you want or are you creating the things that you don't want? This is why affirmations work. It's not magic, even though I love some magic. It's not magic. It's alignment. When you constantly speak to yourself the way you should, the way you want to see things, who you want to be, your brain is going to step up and be like, oh, that's who I'm supposed to be. Let me go on and walk that walk. Let me go on and be that person. It's going to align with that and your reality is going to reflect it. So if you've been struggling with confidence issues, imposter syndrome, feeling stuck, feeling like you're running in circles, I want you to start with this. Speak to yourself like the version of you who's already won. Start saying things like, I am powerful. I am confident. Everything I want is already on its way to me. My favorite is all things work for my good. And don't just say it, sis. I want you to feel it, like feel it in your body. Feel it completely from head to toe because your brain is going to pick up on that energy. It's going to pick up on those emotions and then just sit back and watch your entire life shift. Trust me on this one. Sit back and watch it shift. Watch how your day changes just when you start off with powerful affirmations and repeat that over and over in your mind. So if you're ready to start feeling more confident, or if you need help with feeling more confident, getting unstuck, releasing imposter syndrome, I have created an abundance mindset bundle. It's absolutely free. You can DM shift in the comments, or you can click on my link and grab it. It has some of the exact affirmations that I've used to shift my reality. It has some of the subliminal meditations. It has a whole bunch of stuff that I won't even get into. You can just check it out. But if you're ready to take yourself to the next level and step into the identity of the person who you know you really are, go ahead and grab that bundle, okay? Don't cheat yourself, treat yourself. And so anyway, I love you. Remember that all things work for your good, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.